Add a little extra storage to any kid's space with these underbed pull drawers. They're simple to make, fun to decorate, and getting creative with the look was fun to do with my daughter. Hi, I'm Rosa. I am your DIY carpentry expert, and this is my daughter Melania.
Hi.
I really enjoy teaching parents and kids how to come together and make really awesome projects. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take our two 17 3/4-inch boards and add pocket holes to each side. So to do that, we're gonna use this jig and this special bit. Put this in the drill for me, please.
Okay. While I'm doing that, why don't you explain to the audience what this is?
Sure, I will explain to you guys what this is. So this is a pocket hole jig. It's gonna allow me to put holes in the board so I can attach both pieces of board with hidden screws. Is that in good?
Yep.
So I'll hold the board in place for you and you just go right on in there and do it. Great, next side. We have our pocket holes. If you could just grab me these two 25-inch boards, we're gonna begin to attach them. Add a strip of glue right along the edge. Add the bit that we'll need into the drill, and then you can go ahead and drill this together while I hold it in place. And I'm gonna put on my safety glasses.
Keep it steady.
I got it. Excellent. Yes, yes, girl, get it.
It looks mad nice.
It does look really nice. Great job. Woo! Let's add a bottom. Using our 1/4-inch plywood, we will attach it to the bottom using wood glue and a brad nailer. This I suggest that parents do. Let's flip this thing over and see what we got.
We have a box.
We have a box. Let's put this box to the side and what?
Let it dry.
Now, we're gonna get ready to paint our casters.
We covered the whole entire wheel because we don't want any gold paint getting onto the wheel. Before you begin spray painting, make sure that you're in a well-ventilated space, and if you're not, you can also go outside.
All right, spray, spray. I think gold just makes everything feel opulent. I'm just a golden girl.
That's our favorite color.
What are we gonna do? Let me hear it, let me hear it.
Set it aside and let it dry.
There we go. Now let's tape off a little section in the front so we can make our chalkboard sign. Fill it in with chalkboard paint. Okay. For the first time in history, we're not gonna set it aside and let it dry. We're not gonna set it aside and let it dry. We can add our casters while it's drying. Look at that, ooh. That's a nice wheel coming along. Let's see, come on, take it off. Rip it off like a Christmas present.
Okay.
We got us a chalkboard. Give me some. To add a bit of flair, we're gonna take our pink leather straps and some gold upholstery nails and trim the bottom of our boxes. So I'm gonna show you how it's done, and then you can go ahead and continue to do it on your own, okay?
Ja.
Ja, ja. Tap it lightly to get it started, and then hit it in, okay?
Perfect.
So you don't wanna hold the hammer all the way up here, because then you're gonna be like, you can't get a good knock on it. So you wanna hold it like mid, almost to the bottom, like that, so you can get a good swing on it, you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then do two more.
I got it. Don't worry, Ma.
I'm not worried, I know you got it. Almost done. And this is gonna look so beautiful. Flip it around. Look at that. And as a final step, we'll add our pull tabs. Double this up like this. We're gonna cut it here, and then cut it again here. So that way we have even tabs. Fold them in half like this.
And should I get you the hammer?
Yes, you should, thank you very much. Okay, so now it's all done. What do you think, what do you wanna write on the front of this?
I have an idea.
You have an idea? All right.
You can't look.
Okay, I'm not looking. We know Milani is amazing, but what do you think we should put in here?
Maybe like clothes or crafts or anything.
All right, you got a bunch of craft stuff. Let's add your craft stuff in here. All right, let's get this under a bed.
Let's go.
Let's go. These underbed pull drawers were simple to build. It was a fun activity and adds a little extra storage. And parents, we all want that. Oh, I'm still dancing.